couple of weeks ago, we reviewed the DeepSpace Dino20. We gave it a really good review score / thing. And we said it was really good, really fun, but it did have the body roll of a 1970s Range Rover. And in response to that, DeepSpace contacted us and said, we're going to give you some harder balls. And different props. So we fitted the harder balls and the new props. The question is, of course, does it still roll like a 1970s Range Rover? Well, let's go outside and find out. I really liked the Dino20 before. I really did. It was small, it was fun, and you could do things that it had no right being possible from a 2-inch drone. But as I mentioned, there was always something. In the corners, it leaned, it rolled, it waddled around like a 1970s Range Rover, trying to avoid a sheep on a wet Welsh hillside. And then DeepSpace sent me these firmer balls. Yes, balls that are firmer. And suddenly that body roll almost vanished. The camera no longer feels like it's hanging onto a hammock. It feels planted, composed, expensive. And the new props, they bite it. The moment you ask for power, they grab the air with the enthusiasm of a Labrador spotting a tennis ball. The result is the drone now flies with confidence that it didn't necessarily have before. See, the footage was fine, but as I mentioned in the original video, in the goggles, you could get a little bit seasick. It's smoother, it's sharper, it's more precise. And considering the Dino20 was already good, this has quietly turned it into one of the very best 2-inch 3S quads ever flown. So just very quickly, as we fit the new balls and props, they're a little bit fiddly. The easiest way is just to sort of scrunch them at the bottom and then just twist them around and into the hole like this. And for the top parts, if you just sort of squeeze the top and then pull it a little bit and then push it into the hole. And then obviously for the props, you just unscrew and screw the other ones in. Nice and simple, straightforward. And yeah, then you're ready to go. When it came to Freestyle, I wasn't expecting much from the upgrades that DeepSpace sent. New props, firmer balls. On paper, sound like a drone upgrade. That's something you would discuss with your doctor. But out here, in the field, or car park, wow. The new props have got so much more bite. It gives a punchier throttle response. And the Dino just doesn't ask questions, it just simply goes. Direction changes are far sharper. Power feels more immediate. Every input almost feels like it's got a bit of an urgency to it. And of course, where would we be without my firmer balls? Before, this thing had body roll. Again, not enough to ruin the footage, but in the goggles, it felt like a miniature 1970s Range Rover trying to become a sports car. But now it's tied down, controlled and predictable. You throw it into a turn, a power loop, a split S, and it just sticks. There's no wobble, there's no lean. It just oozes and inspires confidence. The remarkable thing is, this wasn't a bad drone to begin with. Far from it. But with a handful of these new props and some significantly firmer balls, the Dino20 has gone from being really good to probably one of the finest 2-inch 3S quads I've ever had the pleasure of flying, not crashing. Maybe crashing a little bit. Okay, so that was the video of the hard balls and the new props on the DeepSpace Dino20. Some of you might be asking why we've got different motors on it. That is a result of crashing into the tree all day long. Who knew that you would break something? But it is the consequence of how we test things. We test them to destruction. Realistically, you guys are not going to crash this drone into the same tree over and over and over and over again all day long for a video. So you shouldn't have a problem. But that's why we've changed them, but we've changed them for the same spec. And yeah, well, let me know what you think of the new balls and the new props. Is there a discernible, noticeable difference in the video that you think? Let me know in the comments down below. Let's debate it. One more day. YouTube and I have had a chat, and we believe that this is the video that you'll like the most. So watch it and let me know if they're right.